أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات سندخلهم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها أبدا لهم فيها أزواج مطهرة وندخلهم ظلا ظليلا. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I recited Surah An-Nisa Ayat number 57. In this ayat, Allah tells us His special blessings and rewards for those persons who became believers of Holy Quran and believers of Holy Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. They will get special rewards. So Allah has mentioned in this ayat because they, first of all, they got Iman and then they spend their life in doing good deeds. So these are the favorite person of Allah and Allah has special rewards for them. We read this ayat, we will understand more better inshallah. So Allah said, Wallazina, and the people, Amanu, who believe, who have Iman, who received Iman. Wallazina Amanu, and the people who believe, wa amilu salihati, and they continue to do the good deeds. So Iman, then good deeds. So this was the recognition of the people which Allah is for whom Allah has mentioned here. The people who has Iman and also they have done good deeds. Then what will be the result of that if they spend their life in good deeds, protecting their Iman? Allah said, Sanudkhiluhum, we will certainly enter them into Jannatin, into paradise. Tajri min tahtihal anhar, underneath of the paradise there are streams of milk, streams of water, streams of wine, alcohol. So many streams are working there. So those are, mashallah, streams are underneath the paradise. So Allah said, we will enter these people in paradise, and underneath the paradise there are streams of different things are working, are flowing there. Khalidina fiha abada, they will stay there forever. So in paradise, these people, they will go to stay forever. MashaAllah, this will be the best Allah's blessings, that they will be forever there. Lahum fiha, then Allah said the next special blessings upon them. Lahum fiha, for them there will be azwajum mutahharatun, the purified wives. So they will have purified spouses, wives, mashallah. So وَنُدْخِلُهُمْ, and Allah said, and we will enter them zillan zalila, in the wide stretched shades. So we read one time more this ayat again. وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ سَنُدْخِلُهُمْ جَنَّاتٍ تَجْرِي مِنْ تَحْتِهَا الْأَنْهَارُ خَالِدِينَ فِيهَا أَبَدًا لَهُمْ فِيهَا أَزْوَاجٌ مُطَهَّرَةٌ وَنُدْخِلُهُمْ ظِلًّا ظَلِيلًا. Allah said, and the people who believe and they have done righteous deeds, we will give them entry to paradise where streams are flowing underneath, and where these people, they will stay there forever. For them there will be purified wives, purified spouses, and we will enter them in the wide stretched shades. MashaAllah, these are the special rewards to the people who are protecting their Iman and doing good deeds. So this way, the best thing which Allah wants to see, you have to look after your iman every time and do good deeds. If your life is running on this parameter, doing good deeds and protecting iman, and at the end of the life when you are dying, you will be with protecting your iman and doing good deeds, then mashallah you will get your place in paradise. So Allah said, we will enter them into the paradise. There are under the paradise, underneath, there are streams are flowing. So streams of wine, streams of alcohol, streams of water, streams of milk, streams of honey. So many, mashallah, they are flowing. So you will enjoy their, mashallah, that will be the special blessings of Allah for those people who have iman and who are having good deeds. This way Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in one hadith that Allah is saying that for my slaves I have prepared so much in paradise, no any eye has seen before that, no any ear has listened or heard before that. Those things are above the thinking and thoughts of human beings. So many things Allah has prepared for us in paradise, mashallah. So this is the blessings of Allah. Even in the next part, Allah said, Lahum fiha azwajum mutahharatun. And there are special type of purified wives or spouses for you, mashallah. So you will those, and in hadith, Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, this hadith is revealed by Abu Sa'id Khudri radiallahu ta'ala anhu, that in paradise there will be women without menstruation. There will be no menses, no periods, monthly periods. There will be no monthly periods, and they will have no need to go toilet, no urination, and no nasal mucus, and no spitting. So they will be so much pure and so much clean and nice. So this way Allah said, when they will come with decorum to their husbands, mashallah, they will be so much happy. So this will be the situation which Allah has presented in this ayat. So these are special type of rewards for them. And even Allah said there will be so much peaceful situation that we will وَنُدْخِلُهُمْ zillan zalila, and we will enter them into the shade that is wide stretched shade. It means because in there is no sun in the paradise, no sunny, no heat, no cold. And the environment will be mashallah favorable, nice, and there will be, but this is indication that there will be so much peaceful situation and nice environment for the people that Allah has made. Even this way, in Abu Hurairah radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he revealed that Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, in the paradise there is a tree and whose shade is so much wide that if a person who is rider start riding from one end to the other end of the tree, it will take more than 100 years. So much. And even Rabi bin Ans radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he says that Zillan Jalila mean there is the Allah's throne, and the shade of Allah's throne will be there also, which will never go off, and this shade will be forever, and Allah's blessings and Allah's rewards so much in paradise, we have no any parameter to count it. So this way Allah said that those are above the thoughts of human being. So many things will be there. This way the main thing is that we have to look after our iman every time, protect it, and do the good deeds. So we request Allah for protection of our iman and doing good deeds. Help us to do it so that we should have a good face at the day of judgment. Ameen.